Y'all better be ready to. Today we will be playing RNG in slime RNG. Yeah. Okay. I never crafted this. There's new my ingots. I can't craft like things. By the way, we're doing a giveaway and please donate. First one to subscribe gets gets the Robux. It's 1 Robux. Hope it helps you in some kind of stupid tower or something. Oh no! So I'm waiting for the double achievers. Shot. So if you don't believe me, look, I literally have 1 Robux. That's why I'm really broke. If you want to help out and get a shout out or help me or support me, you can give me the 999 Robux Rivals Premium Pass. I've been dreaming to get that, but I was getting points in Bing to get the Robux, but some hacker hacked my Bing thing out, and then he switched the email to his, and he got the 1,000 Robux, and I never did. I saved up for 5 months, and I never did. So if you want to support, please just give me it. Give me it. 9 minutes in 9 minutes. I ain't waiting. You guys ain't waiting, so see ya when the 9 minutes starts. Yo, so while we wait, there's 7 more minutes. Let me get my friend on the call just to not leak his number. I'll pause the video. Alright, Sally, he didn't pick up. As I was saying, it's going Bing. Yeah. I have 17,000. Even if he didn't hack me, I could have got it. But look, now if I try to redeem it, it's out of stock now. If you don't believe me, he hacked me on everything. So if I try to go to redeem this, it says Outlook BT. That's not my email. Please, Bing owner, whoever, if you're watching this, please fix it. By the way, our goal is to hit 50 subs. At the end of this at the end of this
When you're looking for health advice,
May,
it can be hard to filter out the noise. And figuring out your health plan.
The unstable SMP is at
war.
On one side is King Parrot and his many armies. Parrot was crowned King of Unstable after a massive server-wide election was held, which he won by popular vote. On the other side is Cindercrest, a faction of players that
watched this video. Oh, I watched it when it's just 6 minutes ago. Arachnid, at the end he trapped. Spoiler alert. When we help Paris Kingdom, when we betrayed Cindercrest because an Arachnid said it. He fought secretly and he won. He didn't ban him. It was an Arachnid order. Arachnid trapped game at the end. How I know got like his faces, but as Arachnid mentioned, he said he wouldn't be needing Wemru anymore. So he's gonna trap him and kill Wemru. So Wemru's probably not gonna die because he's scripted. If for those who don't know, sorry. Yes, scripted. It's not everything scripted. It's not real. Scripted means like it was all planned. Like imagine you have an apple. You're doing a video where someone stole your apple, but that's a miracle for someone to just come and steal it. So you gather your friend and scripts it. So your friend steals the apple and you go chase him. That's called scripting. You understand what I'm saying? Is my friend even in the game? Screenshot boy. Ellie, YouTube, I'm not playing him. Alexa Pro, a hacker, I haven't friended. Fodex fans, my friend. Nicholas 19. Wait, isn't the oh I forgot. But isn't Nicholas a kid from TK at my school? How did he friend me? It's from Sigma guy. It's from Mr. Pond. It's from everyone. Should I block them at the end? Because I don't really need friends. I should. I'm just getting it for luck. Several luck, 100 brothers. No, it's not. There's 17,000 luck. That's crazy. Okay, stuck in a mountain. You can just, that's gonna be like Shy Guy and then run into a mountain like there's nothing in front of you. Like that doesn't work. 2 more minutes. Oh my god. So this is gonna be, I hope it's gonna be amazing. I mean, these one last thing. Guys, if you're listening, please make my life crazy. Just absolutely crazy. Obliterate it. Okay. As you can see, the UFO. What is that? A UFO? I haven't played this game in like 2 months. No, not maybe 2. Guys, oh my god! But oh my god, 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 oh my god. Ah, big pokey, I don't care. I want the inverted guess. But I haven't played this game in 2 weeks. That's the truth. I only came up to get my extra bonus money. I don't play this game really. So I haven't played this game in 2 weeks. And that means I missed 2 amenities. I'm so dumb. Yeah, I missed 2 amenities. Yeah, 30 seconds for the UFO. What is that? And UFO? What does that do? Is it like a UFO event? Is it like a UFO which... Wait, it would be cool if the UFO dropped loot. Like, it would drop coins, it would drop potions. I guess we'll find out what it does. Okay. 3, 2, 1. A desert? I could go out desert. It's golden? I saw this! I got a jackpot! Yo guys, I got a jackpot. What is that? What does that do? Get away from my UFO. That's my UFO. I'm getting everything, bro. Universal fruit! Isn't that OP? Isn't that OP? So do I really want golden? Is golden the first thing I want? I'll get 2 road combs. I should pop my jackpot. Give me that line. 2 jackpots. There we go, there we go. Is there anything you say? My brain can't take. There's a 1 in 38 trillion. I could go immediately. No, you ain't getting this. All mine. Is it universal frame that good? It's right there, it's right there. Why is my speed so low? No, not right now. No. I got a ice cream. I don't care. Oh, I wish I had a private server. No one cares about this? Well, I sure do. Ooh. No, it's gone. No one has void. What do you mean void? Okay. I still have 2 void. I use big dice once. I get a 47 billion? I didn't even know that. Oh my god. I'm using universal fruit. Yes. I could maybe get another one or something. Oh no, I just leaked this phone number. I'll pause for a second. Nothing big really happened right now. I just used my big dice. Let's use my last shiny dice. Shiny guess. But that was crazy. Jackpot spin. Do it right now. It's a diamond. Is it a diamond? No, it's a normal jackpot. Wait, there's a 1 in a trillion. 1 in 15 trillion. No, 1 in 400 billion. 1 in 2 billion. It's okay. I know that's new. I'm gonna give pumpkin a sword fruit. Yes, mate. I'm going back here. So where's void? It's like all the way over there. I'm not even looking at them. You know what? I'm gonna close my eyes. Please, is it jackpot? Guys, is it jackpot? Or maybe universal fruit? Let me see. Feed in XP! Nice. I got this. No, I don't want to put in bacon, feed on. No, not this. Pop some potions. $128. And I pop some luck. Does that mean I'm getting super lucky? What is this? What the? 400 million UFO. I just needed 1 billion. I just needed 1 in a billion. Brother. Please, it's 1 in a billion. I'm getting slimes. Who wants slime? Clearly not me. I want slime. I want like something good, like the. I want a unicorn and not a girl. Like I'm just 1 in 2 billions worth. Rolling speed. Yes, my rolling speed. 1 second. He's 0.1 second. You're so fast. If you have the game pass, it's probably 0 seconds. Jackpot, please. I'm closing my eyes. No, it's so close to jackpot. Roll combos. Do 2 roll combos. Jackpot, please. I'm closing my eyes. Now I'm opening my eyes. What do we do? 8x luck again. You're seriously wasting time on this stupid line thing. Oh my god! What, ain't that a jackpot? Because there's 3. Wait, let's go. Where's 16? Am I up here? Slime damage, yes. How much slimes are my weaklings? Hollow? Nice. I guess I'm chicken nuggets. Big bucket. 2 drumsticks, I got a second one. Goop. Yes. Let's put in our bomber. I need a. Okay, level. Can I see what? So 19 to level 19, I guess so. Which. Need anything? We don't need a level 3 one. So, level 3 one. Okay, now we don't need 2 billion. 2 billion. Right here. No, we need to feed these guys. Yo, this is super rare. Oh, it's just an ember. It's okay. It's still really good. Let's feed these guys. With this guy. No, 2 bonus. Okay, almost a black hole 6. Yeah, 4 of dice. Shiny dice. Let's go. Mutation left. 21 billion. Holy shit. Yes. Shiny big. Shiny big. And it's a celestial. Oh my god. Holy shit. Back to back.